Hello friends. So in this video will be very different. I am not going to discuss about stocks or market. I am just going to share the P&L statement of the crypto trades that I have took in last 1.5 months, and also that all the trades, everything I used to share on the Telegram and Twitter. So you can follow us there. So without wasting time, let's start with the PNL. Let's start with the PNL statement of the crypto trades that I have took. So I'm using CoinDCX Go platform, and in this I am using margin for my trades. So currently I'm using CoinDCX Go for my trading as well as for investing. I have invested in some of the cryptos as well in this, and for margin, I used to trade in Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other cryptos, and margin for all the cryptos are different. So for some it is 10x, for some it is 5x, 2x, 3x. So it depends on the CoinDCX Go how much leverage or margin they give. One point to note is they charge interest on the margin also. So I will just open the details here. So as you can see, there is an interest of $1.24 on this. So they charge interest on the margin that you use. So this is about the CoinDCX Go platform. I am not promoting anything here. I am just showing the PNL statement of my. So these are all the trades that I have took. I will just go to the view complete history. So this margin. So currently it is recorded live and nothing is Photoshop. I will just refresh it again, and I am not pausing anything here. You can just check it. So as you can see here, the all the trades are there in this journal. So I'm just scrolling it down so that if you want, you can cross check this amount with the Excel file that I will download. So Excel file will be downloaded from here, and it will record all the trades that I have took from start. So I'm just scrolling it down. So as you can see, few of the trades that I have took in this. So here it is. We are on the last page now, and we started trading in crypto from 14th May. There is no next now in this. So it is around roughly around 1.5 months now that I have been trading in cryptos on margin. Also, I have shared that some of the trades on the Twitter and Telegram. So I have downloaded this CSV file already. So I will just show the downloading part. So I am selecting the date as 1st April. Sorry, first, let's say 1st Jan till present. So the file is already downloaded in my system. So this is the file, Excel file, and currently this file has so many data, and I will just hide some of the data so that it will be easy to understand and look at this data. So let's hide now. So I am hiding some column. So as you can see, they are charging interest also on the margin that I am using. So this is the interest column. So as you can see here, the first trade was taken on 14th May, as we have discussed in the system in the CoinDCX Go site. So now I will remove all the cancelled and rejected orders because the PNL for this is zero and the orders were cancelled or rejected for some reason. So I will just remove the data. So I'm just removing the necessary data. So this is 0.09. It will be because of some fee or some interest, and just ignore it. It is just hardly 7 to 10 rupees. So I'm deleting all the cancelled and rejected. So this is the all the position that I have took, and the status is closed. So there are no open position right now, and all the positions are closed. And the PNL here is in dollar terms, so everything is in dollar. As you can see here, I am just so yeah, I will make it 2 digits. Uh, yeah, so everything is in dollar terms. Just remember this. And if you want, you can check this also. So the 6 minus 62.76, it is after the tax and all the thing after brokerage and everything. So I will just assume currently the dollar rate will be around 73, or I will just check it. How much is the dollar rate right now? So currently the dollar is around 74.39. So I will just multiply this. So it is around 4600, 4668 loss. And as you can see here, also, I will just go on the first page. Yeah, so this is the first trade I have considered. And as you can see, the loss is around 4800, so around 200 points difference, maybe because of the dollars change or something like that. So this is like, I would say it would, I can just give accurate figures. The real dollar figures you can just see here. So I will just sum up all the PNL that I have. So it is in dollars. So the profit that I have got is in dollars, and we will just multiply it with the dollars. This thing 74. I will considering USD INR as 74. So as you can see, this is in INR now. So the profit that I have booked in just 1.5 month is around 23,800 profit in INR and $321.57. And also it is in 1.5 months, and I have started this with 50,000 INR. So I have started it with 50,000 just because I was ready to lose this 50,000 as well, because I was because crypto is very volatile, as you know, and any random move or any volatile move can even erode your capital. So I've just started with small capital, not with big capital. That's why, and this is 50,000 INR that I have started. And I have got around 23,795, 796 profit. So this is roughly around 47% profit that I have got in just 1.5 months. So this is all about the crypto trade that I took, and just a disclaimer that crypto is very volatile, and I would suggest not to go with leverage or margin anything. The analysis of crypto and stock market are same if you do technical analysis, and all the trades that I have took is on the basis of technical analysis itself. I have not used anything different in this. And as you see that even the profit can be earned from any other asset class, be it cryptocurrencies or commodities, stock, or currency pair. So you can, if you have a proper system and proper trading plan, then in long run you can definitely make profit. And the reason for this high return on investment is because the crypto was volatile, and generally I used to get moves in very short time. So this is the reason the profits are so high currently. And one more note that the cryptos trading is very addictive, exhaustive, and time consuming because it trades 24 hours. And generally, if you have some open position overnight, then you will not be able to sleep as well, because some sudden move in overnight, and if you don't have stop loss, then definitely it will get hit, or uh, it will not. If you don't have stop loss, then definitely the if position goes against you, then you will incur the huge losses, and probably you won't even sleep properly at that time. So I will just reduce this trading right now. I will reduce this capital, and also the gains that I have got, I am reinvesting it in good cryptocurrencies, the large one, not the smaller ones like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or ETC. So these are the investment that I am making in crypto right now. So this is all about the crypto profit statement for last one from the start, from the date that I have started, and I will keep on updating about the profit in future as well. And if you want any trades, then you can follow us on Twitter. I will share my ID here. So this is a Twitter ID. I'm just sharing it. So you can follow us on Twitter and Telegram for updates related to cryptocurrencies or for stock market related update as well. So this is all about today's video. And thank you guys.